Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on my Dwarf Jade. This plant was originally purchased from Lowe's as a small bonsai in the bonsai sections. And instead of just keeping in the bonsai pot, I actually been growing it out, and it had developed quite a bit over the years. Even got some really nice exposed roots or base going on right there. I did attempt to try to style them a few times, but I didn't really put a whole lot of work into it. And as you can tell, there are some guy wires going on, and it's just a really heavy tree, so everything just sort of drooped over. So today we are going to do quite a bit of pruning, and hopefully we can give the tree some structure to start with. And then we are probably just going to remove this tree from this pot and repot it into something else. So to start off with, we are going to remove these guy wires, which cut quite a bit into the branches just because it grew a lot this year. Alright, so there are several different ways we can take this. Initially, I really did want to keep this branch on, but I think I am going to go ahead and remove it and root them to be sort of a raft style. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty thick branch that's just grown horizontally, and there are all these new growth that are coming straight up, and so I think it can make it really a pretty cool raft style if we grow them out. And about in like another couple years should be really pretty interesting looking. I'm also going ahead and remove this branch right here, which I actually did remove some branch earlier this spring, but I'm going ahead and remove them just because it's really bulky, and it's sort of causing this whole area to swell up, and there's just no tapering. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this branch and this branch, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm gonna take this outside and remove this tree from the pot, and I'm gonna rinse off some of the soil and stuff and see what we got going down here. Alright guys, I just want to show you guys the root system we got going on. I repotted this tree earlier this spring, and as you can tell, quite a bit of roots have grown, and it's just doing really well. But obviously we are going to have to remove a lot of them, but it shouldn't be a problem just because this is a succulent, so it retains a lot of water. But yeah. Alright, so I went ahead and potted the tree. The pot is a little bit smaller than I wanted it to be. Generally I like to keep my trees in deeper pots, but so this one is a succulent, so it should be okay for a while, but I think I will eventually repot this into something a little bit larger. Just I think it's just better for the tree, as well as just aesthetically probably better looking. But yeah, I'll just keep this for now. Guys, so I think we are going to stop right here. I think we got a really good structure going on. I was going to keep a lot of the lower branches, but I felt like it was just too heavy and just too much going on, and it was hiding the trunk line, which I really wanted to show off for the tapering. So I think this is a good start, and I'm very happy with the progress we made today. And like I said, I will probably repot this eventually into something a little bit bigger, probably like a rounder pot, because I don't really like the rectangular pot on it. And I got all these cuttings that I'm really excited about. I am especially excited about this one. I'm going to create a raft style, or maybe just like sort of a forest style that's somehow it's gonna be a raft style, but I'm extremely excited about that. And I just got plenty of cuttings, but that's for another day. But yeah, guys, like always, I appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't yet, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And like always, take care, and until next time.